This is our UES rotary vent. It's made from high-grade plastic with stainless steel internals. This vent will come in 3 different colours: white, black and grey. This is ideal for transportation. More efficiency in airflow. This vent is ideal for those animal trailers and your ute. You want to get air in, this is the product. Great value, great product, uesint.com.
Today we're looking at the UES plastic rotary vent. These are used on vehicles such as buses, RVs, animal transport and delivery vans. This product is used in confined spaces to circulate air. It has a stainless steel core and it's easy to install. All you do is remove the top cap, you undo the top spindle nut, which will leave you with the base plate exposed. Once the base plate is exposed, you have 4 mounting screws, could be riveted in. And a chalking compound or silicone is required to prevent any water leaks.